Class Notebook Organization. When you create a class notebook, you are able to add sections outside of the spaces. You can do this by clicking on Add Section. We suggest that you use this section for things that you will reference on a regular basis, such as an online learning timetable or classroom agreements. In the content library, you might want to organize your tabs with different colors. This class was a co-teaching class. One teacher's tabs were organized with blue and the other with yellow. Specialist teachers added to the class were highlighted in green. This helps the students recognize which teacher is contributing to which tab. In the teacher-only section, you can also use colors to highlight different sections. This is an example of a class notebook used by one teacher. They have organized the tabs in colors, where yellow is used for subjects to do with English, red is to do with subjects to do with maths, and the other colors reflect different subjects. Again, in the teacher-only section, the teacher has used this space for planning and also organizing different work. If you would like to change the color of a section tab, right-click, go to Section Color, and then click on the color you would like to choose. Another way to organize your pages is to make subpages. If you would like to make a subpage, right-click on the page and click on Make Subpage. This will then appear under the page above. If you click on the arrow, all those pages will be condensed.